Imagine a world where lawn care is effortless. That's what Navimow offers. Our mission is to provide an intelligent and convenient lifestyle for everyone, with no boundaries. Navimow has already made a difference for users across more than 30 countries. This includes North America, Europe, and Australia. Together, they have saved a staggering 3.6 million hours of mowing time. What does this mean for you? More time for the important things in life. Whether it's spending quality moments with family, tackling passion projects, or simply unwinding in your backyard, Navimow gives you that freedom. So, how does it work? Navimow uses advanced technology to operate efficiently in various environments. It is easy to install and can be set up according to your lawn's specific layout. Once it's up and running, it takes charge of your mowing tasks automatically. Picture this: you finish your morning coffee, and as you head out, your lawn is already looking pristine. No more pushing heavy mowers or dealing with tangled cords. Navimow operates quietly, letting you enjoy the peace of your outdoor space while it works. Plus, with smart connectivity features, you can control it through your smartphone. Adjust settings or check in on your lawn care from anywhere. But let's go a bit deeper. Imagine a Saturday afternoon where your kids are playing, and you're free to join them because your lawn is being taken care of. That's the joy of Navimow. In summary, Navimow revolutionizes lawn care, saving you time and hassle. With its intelligent design, you can enjoy your life without worrying about yard work. So, why wait? Discover the future of lawn care today. Visit our website to learn more. Make the change and reclaim your weekends with Navimow.